Exercise 4.2, question number 1, third part. We have to draw a rhombus bend where BN is 5.6 and DE is 6.5. First, we will draw the rough sketch for the given construction. BA and DE. This is a rhombus. You can draw the rough sketch with pencil or a pen. Now, BN and DE are the diagonals. So, we have to draw the diagonals. This is the rhombus BEND where BN is 5.6 centimeter and DE is 6.5 centimeter. In this question we are given only the diagonals, not the side of the rhombus. But we can still draw the rhombus with the help of these two diagonals. So what is the first step? We have to draw, like in exercise 4.1 and 4.2, we have drawn the diagonal first. So here we also draw the diagonal first. But we will draw which diagonal? BN and DE. We will draw DE diagonal 6.5 centimeters first. So draw a line segment 6.5 centimeters. Line segment DE how much? 6.5 centimeter. Draw it. DE is 6.5 centimeters. Next step. Now we have to draw the other diagonal, this BN diagonal. We have drawn this diagonal here and BN diagonal we will draw here. Now since what is the property of diagonals of rhombus? They are perpendicular bisector of each other. That means this other diagonal is perpendicular to the first diagonal and it is also perpendicular bisector. So we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this diagonal. Now what is the step to draw the perpendicular? Open the compass. This is DE full length. We have to open the compass less than this diagonal, less than this value. We have to open the compass, right, and draw arcs up and down from D point. With the same measurement, draw the arc from point E. The two arcs should cut each other. Now join the two arcs with a scale and let this point be O where the two diagonals are meeting. This is the step to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line. These are the steps to draw perpendicular bisector. What was the first step? I am repeating again. Open the compass, this complete ED less than the given line segment. Right. Cut an arc up and down from one point and from other point cut an arc which cut the two arcs. Now what is this? This is the step for perpendicular bisector. Now we have to draw another diagonal here. Right. Now since the two diagonals bisect each other, that means this diagonal will be BN diagonal. Some part of BN will be here and here. The two parts will be equal. What is the value of BN? It is 5.6 centimeter. What is the half of 5.6 centimeter? It is 2.8 centimeter. Now open your compass. How much? 2.8 centimeter from here. Open the compass 2.8 centimeter. Now this is complete is 5.6 to 2.8. Some part will be above and same part will be below. These two parts will be equal. Now where this line, let this line be XY, this line XY, let this point be, what should be this point? This point will be B and this point will be N, B, E, N, D. This is point B and this is point N. Now what is the next step? Join this. Join BD, join BE, join EN and join DN. This complete is 6.5, this complete is 5.6 centimeter. You can write here 2.8 here and 2.8 here. So this is our rhombus. BEND is the required rhombus. And these are the perpendicular to each other. You can measure it with protractor that all the angles are of 90 degree and the parts are equal. This part is equal to this part and this part is equal to this part. Why? Because the diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other.